repertoire.com, and in this video lesson, how to play My Rides Here by Warren Zevon. We're going to start off with the chords. It's in the key of G, so it starts on a G and it ends on a G. Isn't that interesting? For each G chord, let the first finger hang loose, middle finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and your pinky curls up and plays the 1st string on the 3rd fret, and you play all 6 strings. To go from there to the C chord, pick up your pinky, move your middle finger and ring finger over one string all together, just move them right over, so your middle finger winds up on the 4th string, 2nd fret, your ring finger winds up on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and then your first finger plays the 2nd string, 1st fret. A D chord, put your first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger goes between them on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And you're going to start on the 4th string. Switching from the D to the G looks like a big jump, but it's not. If you'll notice, these two fingers are in pretty much the same position. You're just going from the top 2 strings to the bottom 2 strings. An E minor chord is one of the easiest chords, one of the first ones a lot of us use. Let your first finger hang. Middle finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger crowds in behind it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. You're going to play all 6 strings. To switch from that to the A minor chord is really easy. These two fingers just scoot over one string. So your middle finger is on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And your first finger gets the 2nd string, 1st fret. And you're going to play 5 strings. And last but not least, an A chord. You play the A chord by putting your first finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Monotonous, isn't it? You play 5 strings. If that's uncomfortable, you can play it with these 3 fingers. One of my students actually swaps around, puts the first finger in the middle, or you can play it all with just your first finger. Leave out the E string. That works fine. Anyway, you can get all 3 of these strings pressed down and play the open A is a good A chord. Your basic strum for My Rides Here is pretty simple. It's just an 8th note strum. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now we're going to leave out a couple. I'm accenting the downbeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So on some of the shorter chord changes, like on the D, waiting for a train, you're just playing the steady beat. Down, up, down, up, down. The rest of the time, you're kind of accenting the lyrics by leaving out notes and accenting others. 1 is almost always accented. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the chorus, we're going to strum it more, but we're going to keep the same accents. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So I'm strumming all the down, but I'm just accenting those particular ones, the same ones we were just playing a minute ago. That's the basics that you need to play My Rides Here by Warren Zevon. Don't forget to check the links below for the chord chart and other songs that you might be interested in learning. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play My Rides Here by Warren Zevon. Thank you for watching. Said Jesus to Mary, and that's the